So today we're talking about animal adaptations. Adaptations are behaviors or body parts that animals use to help them live in their habitat better. Jane, remember, has the retractable claws. That means they pull back into his paw so they can stay nice and sharp until he needs them, like for climbing a tree or grabbing prey or hanging on to me for dear life when I want to put him down and he doesn't want to go down. Let's look at some rainforest animals and talk about their adaptations. So here we have a macaw. Take a look at this bird. Now, because it's a bird, it has a beak, but look at the macaw's beak. Notice it's really long, very, very pointed, it's curved, and it looks really, really big and strong. That's because it mostly eats seeds and nuts. It's an herbivore, so it eats plants. And it's got to crack that outer shell. It doesn't want to eat the shell of the seed or the nut. So it uses that beak to crack that shell so it can eat. Here's another rainforest animal that is not an herbivore. This is a carnivore. It's a jaguar. Take a look at its mouth. What do you notice? See the long, sharp, pointed teeth? Yeah, that's so it can grab its prey. So that adaptation helps it live in the rainforest. Let's look at some other body parts that don't help get food, but help keep animals in the rainforest safe. Here's a sloth. Now you know how they move on the ground. They are very slow. And we know it climbs the tree to try to get away from predators. It uses its claws. This is a three-toed sloth, so it has 3 claws to help climb the tree. Makes it able to escape faster. And here's another insect that we saw the other day in a book. This is a leaf butterfly. And how does this leaf butterfly use its body to protect itself? It blends in its surroundings, it's camouflaging because it looks like a leaf. Very good. I'm going to send you a link to a short video about a sloth. It looks at the sloth and shows how it climbs the tree. It's a really interesting look at that very fascinating creature. So if you get a chance, take a look at that and you can see that this adaptation about claws for climbing in motion, not just in a book. Last thing is, we're going to sing a rainforest song. This is called Walking Through the Jungle. Now, it's really more of a chant. I say a part, and then you repeat it after me. I'll do the repeat with you, I'll just do it quieter. So let's do this, Walking Through the Jungle. It starts like this. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. What do you see? What do you see? Thought I heard a noise. Thought I heard a noise. Shh, shh, shh. Shh, shh, shh. Thought it was a snake. Thought it was a snake. S, 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 s. Looking for its tea. Looking for its tea. Thought I heard a snake. Thought I heard a snake. S, 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 s. Looking for me. Looking for me. I really hope you don't have any snakes looking for you today. Last, we're going to finish up with a question for you and your family, something you can talk about today. What kind of adaptations have you made, changes in your behavior, to let you live in your habitat, which is your house right now, probably most of the time? How have you changed your behavior? Well, in my house, I stay inside most of the time. Usually I'm in and out and in and out. I like being outdoors. I'm inside almost all the time. I do go outside sometimes to take a walk, but not if there's anybody around. It's a pretty busy road, but there's not a lot of people walking. So I'm pretty lucky I can go outside and walk sometime during the day. But if there's somebody out who is walking, I walk to the other side of the street. Stay away from them so we're not sharing germs. And that's how I have adapted my behavior to stay safe in my habitat right now. What have you guys done? Talk to your family about it. And Jane and I are saying goodbye for today.